Okay guys, I want to take a minute and talk about what our new class structure is going to be like. We're still going to have assignments and they're going to be in 3 levels. Okay, so the first level is what we will call the must master. Okay, so these are going to be the things that, give us our base knowledge, and, everybody really needs to master these. So there's 2 possible outcomes. So you have an assignment, and if you don't master it, all right, so let's say you did it, and Mrs. Graham takes a look and gives you some feedback and says, yeah, you haven't quite gotten there yet. Not a problem. If you don't master the must master, you will get a chance to revise and try again. All right, so you're going to revise, you're going to try it again. All right, and that's pretty much like what we've been doing already, guys, so that's not really a big change. All right, and so then you're going to revise and try it again. So if you still didn't get it, let's say, you're still having some issues, you'll just revise it again, okay, and turn it in. So this right here, just because you don't master something the very first time out, that's okay, because you're going to get a chance to revise it and do it again. All right, but let's say, you got there and you're like, yep, you did. Next thing you need to do, give yourself a high five. All right, because that's awesome. You should celebrate the fact that you did get past that assignment. And then after that, you will move to the should masters. All right, so these are a little bit deeper assignments. Okay, and same thing here. Let's say you get that and you don't quite get it the first time. That's okay, because just like before, you're going to revise and try again. Okay? Oops. And try again. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can make that look a little nicer. Yeah, so I'm going to revise, and here I am trying again. All right. So you revise it, try it again, and turn it back in. So let's say that, now you've got it. Oh, I forgot to put yes. Yes, you did. All right, so if you master that next level assignment, you're going to give yourself another high five, because that is awesome. Now, not every single person is going to get to should master, and that's okay, right? Our goal is that everybody gets done with the must master, and once you're done with must, you move on to should, okay? So once you've got your shoulds, then you would move to the aspire. Aspire to master. And I did not give myself enough room. I'm going to keep writing. There we go. You're going to get to aspire to master. So these are going to be those, really cool assignments. And if you get to them, awesome. All right. But let's say you get there and you don't quite get it mastered. That's okay, because just like every other level, you will be able to revise and try again. All right, so if you try it again, you can turn it back in, and maybe you get it that time, maybe you need another round. But if you do get it, yes, then there you go. There's your next and your last high five. All right, so for our assignments coming up, you're going to have must masters, should masters, and aspire to masters. Okay? Next video, I'll talk to you how we're going to track our progress.